This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by Blvd, 55-plus centrally located well-maintained condo in a popular area of Cape Coral, off of Country Club Blvd. Your parking space is right in front of the door. This 2-halves has a spacious open floor plan. In addition, there is attic storage and a large lanai. There is an ample closet on the lanai for storage and a second closet for the washer and dryer. An added bonus is a laundry tub, beautifully landscaped in front and back. Take a walk down the sidewalk behind the condo and walk to all the buildings or to the large pooled area and clubhouse. These condos don't stay on the market, so call today and make your appointment to see it. For more information, review the details below or contact Blvd at 1239-298-6135.